Swoosh Whoosh told Honk that Mr. and Mrs. Porky are going to town, and Honk and Swoosh Whoosh have to look after the little piggies. Mrs. Porky told the piglets that Honk and Swoosh Whoosh would look after them.
They all promised to be very good and not to get dirty,
Mrs. Porky tells Honk. Just make sure none of them get lost, says Mr. Porky. Hey, come back here, calls Honk. Honk and Swoosh Whoosh knew that looking after these piggies wasn't going to be easy. Stop! Come back here! Shouts Swoosh Whoosh. Oh dear, how are Honk and Swoosh Whoosh going to look after these piggies if they don't stay together? I've lost 2, calls Swoosh Whoosh. Mine have also gone, complains Honk. There's Toot the boat. Toot the boat always knew best. Toot told Honk and Swoosh Whoosh that the only way to keep all the piglets together is to keep them busy.
If you play a game, the piglets won't run away,
says Toot. Honk knew just what to do. Who wants to play a special game? Calls Honk.
Please can we play?
Call the piggies. Honk's plan was working. The game would keep all the piggies together. Honk explained to the piggies how to play the game. The piggy with the blindfold must find another piggy without looking. What a fun game to play. Honk and Swoosh Whoosh kept the little piggies busy for the whole day, and none of them tried to run away or got lost. Here come Mr. and Mrs. Porky. Oh dear, some of the piggies are still covered in mud. Mr. and Mrs. Porky were very happy. Their little piggies were all together and nice and clean. Well done, Honk and Swoosh Whoosh. Have fun, everybody. Morning, Woofy. Morning, busy bunnies. Morning, Lolly the lamb. Look, there's Honk the car. Lolly is trying to hide away from Honk. Boo! Bleats Lolly the lamb in her biggest voice. Honk knew Lolly wanted to play a fun game. You gave me a big fright, Lolly. Do you want to play hide and seek? Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, calls Honk. I'm coming to find you, ready or not. Oh dear, Lolly didn't find a very good hiding place. It was very easy for Honk to find Lolly. Honk thinks he's found a good hiding place. Listen to Lolly. She's only little and can't count so well. Who's going to help Lolly count to 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, counts Lolly the lamb. What comes after 4? 5, 6, 8, no, 7, 8, 9. What's the last number again? I remember 10. Oh dear, how will Lolly find Honk? Look, there's Swoosh Swoosh, the helicopter. Honk, why is your head stuck in that silly old hedge? Calls Swoosh Swoosh. Did you lose something in the hedge, Honk? Calls Swoosh Swoosh. Oh dear, Swoosh Swoosh is going to show Lolly where Honk is hiding. Go away, Swoosh Swoosh, whispers Honk. I'm playing hide and seek, and I don't want Lolly to find me. There you are, Honk, bleats Lolly the lamb. I'm the cleverest sheep in Springland. It was now Swoosh Swoosh's turn to hide. Look, there's Toot the boat. Morning, Toot, calls Honk. We are playing hide and seek. Have you seen Swoosh Swoosh? Toot didn't want to give away Swoosh Swoosh's secret hiding place.
Swoosh Swoosh, let me think. Where could Swoosh Swoosh be?
Pretends Toot. Shh! Be quiet, Woofy, whispers Swoosh Swoosh. If you keep barking like that, they'll find me. And Honk and Lolly did. It was now Woofy's turn to run and hide. Sheep. Morning, Honk the car. What was that? Thinks Honk. What mysterious creature is speeding through Springland? There's Swoosh Swoosh the helicopter. Does Swoosh Swoosh know? It's a puppy dog. Springland has a new friend. Woof, woof. What's your name, doggy? Asks Swoosh Swoosh. I know. We'll call you Woofy. Woofy the dog, calls Honk. Honk and Swoosh Swoosh decide to go and tell Toot about their new friend. Oh dear, Woofy is still just a pup. He needs proper training. There's Toot the boat. Luckily, Toot knows about dogs. Don't play so rough, Woofy, complains Honk. Woofy is still a puppy and gets very excited.
Honk,
Warns Toot.
you must not make Woofy too excited by honking all the time.
Toot explains that every puppy needs to be kept calm, be well looked after, and taught how to behave.
Woofy is not allowed on the road.
Explains Toot the boat.
Roads are very dangerous for dogs.
Honk has a very good idea. A new game for Woofy. Sit, Woofy, shouts Honk. Honk is teaching Woofy how to look after the sheep.
Do we really have to play this game?
Complains Lolly the lamb. Honk explains that Woofy needs to learn to do things and that the new game will be fun. The sheep decided to play. Honk's plan was working. Woofy was learning to herd sheep, and he was getting more and more tired. Good dog, Woofy, calls Swoosh Swoosh. Thank you, sheep, for playing with Woofy and wearing him out. Honk tells Toot and Wally all about how they taught Woofy to herd sheep. Tomorrow, I am going to teach Woofy how to fetch a ball, says Honk. That should keep him nice and busy.